Hey, Man of the Mayhem here, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit of Mayhem lore. So this here is something that is about 25 years old, and it's something that I made with my granddad when I was a kid. So this little metal box with this lovely tactile toggle switch and a couple of holes is actually an FM radio bug. So you would leave this set up in a room, and then you go run across the house to your standard tunable FM radio, and you would try and find the frequency you've set this little adjuster dial to, and you'll be able to tune in and hear live broadcasts from this device onto your FM radio, which I'm pretty sure is something that you're not actually allowed to do anymore. And this thing has stayed with me now through 3 house moves, and the only thing I've lost from it is a couple of screws. So if you have a look inside, we've got our actual board here that was all put together by myself and my granddad, all hand soldered, and then glue gunned the board into the actual casing. And then we actually have the battery mount here as well. So you just pop in a 9-volt battery in here and stick it straight onto your radio. And like I say, you can adjust the fine tuning of the antenna here to change what frequency it's on. And yeah, this is basically kind of where it all began for me. So my granddad was a bit of a tinkerer, a bit of a nut. He taught me how to do all of my computer building. He taught me about different operating systems and how to use them. He was a massive amateur and ham radio enthusiast as well. I spent a lot of time sat in his room, which is what my shed's based on, tinkering, playing and learning new skills, and gaining that hacker mindset. There were more than one occasions where we would happily sit there and tune into all of the different telephone conversations that may have been going ahead around the local estate, allegedly. And yeah, so this little device here, older than probably most people that will be watching this channel, and kind of where it all started. So yeah, nice little piece of Mayhem lore there. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you next time. Happy hacking.